Montgomery, Alabama, and there's a pet park. Nice. I'm just fitting through.
Look this way.
Whoa.
Hey guys, we are in Montgomery, Alabama. We are going to
Englewood, Florida. It's a 9-hour drive.
9-hour drive today. It's gonna be our first time to Florida.
Yeah.
For both of us.
It's a new state.
New state.
Oh no, what we gonna do? The king likes Daniel more than me and you.
I like your car.
I like yours too.
Is it a Jeep?
A Subaru.
I like your tires.
You got nice chrome.
A trailer hitch.
Left mine at home.
Your suspension, it suspends me. Oh no! That was a dead turtle!
10 days after I cheated, got my lips stuck in a game. My friends all laughed, and I just stood there till the car parked in broke along with a crowbar and a nose and a 660. Chaplain's pick name Oscar. Here goes, I don't know. I can tell if it's a monkey or an ape.
It's very simple, Bob. If it doesn't have a tail, it's not a monkey. If it doesn't have a tail, it's not a monkey. It's an ape.
I'm not so sure.
Of death, Bennett! Did it! That was strange. I have a pink spinny thing, and it entertains me for hours. Yeah, I'm hungry. Speaking of food, what do we have back there?
Oh, it's right here.
That one. What's in that?
There is clementine, chocolate, and a bar.
What?
Inside of all.
Carrots and what?
He wasn't listening, so he doesn't get to hear the choices.
This is a segment called Depressing Poems with Josh and Teresa. Let's get started. Teresa, begin.
The lovely house upon a hill.
Was the home of Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill were madly in love.
That's incest, though, because they're siblings. I walked to school with my new backpack.
And also carried around my lunch sack. I played with my new friend Sally.
She's the new kid from Cali. Our favorite pastime was riding our scooters.
Until our lives were ended by a school shooter. What? Oh, that was lightning. Wow.
Gabby, you're on our vlog. The rainbow after the storm.
Getting gas at a gas station. It is pouring rain. It's like 90 degrees and it's raining and it's the weirdest feeling. Right up there. There's a nest. Oh, it is different.
Bigger than the ones we usually see.
We're on the beach in Florida.
So we're out here looking for some shark teeth. Florida apparently is the capital of the world for finding shark teeth.
Hi, buddy. What you doing? Hi there. You're a cutie, huh? Oh, yeah. What do we do? Huh? We can't keep him, Teresa. Playing Rook in Georgia on Teresa's birthday. We are here at the Chick-fil-A headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. About to go take a tour. Where are we, Teresa?
We're in Chick-fil-A headquarters right now.
What are we doing?
Gonna get a backstage tour. See our special guests.
We've already been to Whitewater.
I'm out here with the Chick-fil-A cows out in Atlanta. Oh yeah, Chick-fil-A headquarters right there. We had the Chick-fil-A Dwarf House, the first ever Chick-fil-A. You guys ready?
No.
Okay. Big boy bugs. So this is a giant water scorpion. Hey there. We're now in New Jersey.
Okay.